What's up, y'all? Welcome back. And today's video is raining. Actually, as you can see, it's raining a bunch. So, if actually raining, the camera will get her. It's really actually raining. Oh my god, I want to cover the camera. Spoochie. But I want to do that anymore because then I'll get wet all of my camera. It actually is wet. So I don't want to do it again. Yeah, so it's wet. As you can see a little bit right there. But I'm not a lot, but okay. And that's actually a person. And actually, that person, as you can see right there, has a sweater because it's actually raining. And you can see right there, it's raining. But yeah. So. I really like it. Oh, man! Why you make me do this? So, it actually came from my school. It has actually A because my name is Etanol. My name is Etanol. It came from Justice. If you want to check it out, go to the store. I don't know how it costs, but whatever. And it has this Joja Siwa. I'm sorry, I got it from Walmart. It cost me like $2 or $3, I don't remember. To show you. So lip balm. It says strawberry flavored lip gloss. It says dream crazy big. And right here it has like it has this his unicorn. It has this pom pom, and it has like this thingy to strap it, and it has like this circle. It has this like you can put your keys or just put it in the backpack, or you can do other things, smush it like that. But yeah. And this is actually from Justice. I couldn't find like there's a lunchbox like this one, but I couldn't find it. So actually I bring my 2 phones to my school. I don't know why I bring them, but I bring them. Sorry, there's a mirror, but yeah. They're all I don't know. I just want to put it in my backpack, and yeah, that's all I have. I actually have homework, but I just have one good for me. But it's from 12 boys and 12 girls went to Lisa's birthday party. Lisa gave each boy and girl 3 party flavors. How many party flavors did Lisa give to the boys and at her party? Okay, so I think right here you need to plus the 12 boys and 12 girls plus 2 is 24. Then you're gonna divide 24 times 3 and it will give you the answer, but I don't know right now. It says table of 6. So easy. It says the length of the acre is about I don't know what that number is. And it says kilometers. Which of bram number? Write it in Spanish notation. It's freaking. Just kidding. I'm not gonna say bad words anymore. Just kidding. Just skip that part. I'm sorry, sister. So cool. So cool. Like, mind me. Actually, I love it because my mom is actually at Aldi. I don't know if you can see, but sign up Aldi. Okay, but if my mom comes, I'm gonna end the video no matter what. If I don't like, you can see Aldi. So yeah, I think you know I already saw it. So yeah. So I think I can vlog right now, but yeah. It's so easy. But the thing is, I don't know. It's so easy. Like I don't know what to give me this homework, but so easy. So easy. So easy. So yeah. That's all I have for my lunch. So yeah. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe. Push your notification. Push your notification. You will not miss every single video I'm doing every single day. I'm gonna be having a giveaway! Yay! I don't know why I'm saying that if I'm not gonna do no giveaways. Never in my whole entire world I'm gonna do giveaways. Never in my life. Never! Listen! Okay? What? You cannot hear? Okay! Well, I'm gonna tell you right now! I'm not gonna give away no giveaways! So you better listen right now! Just kidding. So, I don't know. Hey, I came this one from Justice too. I'm sorry, I don't need to be like, oh my god! Because, yeah, actually from Justice. I don't know. That is actually from Justice. That's kind of my flavor. My favorite store, but not all. Do you hear that, guys? That's actually a phone. Pretty sure. So this is the phone of my mom. I'm sorry. Oh my god. Okay. So my sister is actually right here. You can have her phone number, guys. Okay, so actually I'm gonna call her. She will speak Spanish. Because yeah. You can prank her, guys. Here's the number. We live actually in Dallas, Texas. So yeah. I'm gonna call her again, but I'm gonna call her with video chat. That's actually me. That's my stereo. Actually, you cannot see me, guys, but I'm sure you can see me right. Okay, so I'm actually gonna call her right now. I should call her, guys, because if I don't, what's gonna happen? Right? She doesn't answer, and
please leave your message for 97248.
okay, you're so mad, and I'm not gonna call her no more. So that's her fault. I just call you billions of times saying it didn't answer, so now what do you want?
Mami,
Hey, B.
me voy caminando porque tengo la sombrilla.
Okay.
Okay, bye.
No, Heidi. No. Dime mamá que no. Well, whatever. She actually says, I'm gonna go walking because I have my umbrella. And I'm like, no, Heidi, no, because my mom, and she just like, for me. So, I'm not gonna answer no more times that. So I actually really want to prank somebody. She's gonna prank somebody, come on. I don't know how to call her, but I'm gonna do a prank. So yeah, be quiet.
Text message submission.
Well, senora. Bye, guys.